See, these kind of concepts are very hot selling items in any of our region in India. This kind of beautiful flower, artificial flower concept, plus you will get this kind of beautiful newly trending concept you will get here only. See. Hello dear friends, welcome to 𝐂𝐸𝐴 Textile Company. Like always, I have to say thank you to all of you to give us a chance and visit our video. Guys, in this particular video, I'm going to showcase you some samples which are available in our Dupatta sections. In these kind of Dupatta sections, there especially is going to be occasional and scarves concept, night beautiful, wearing upon kurtis, lehengas, these kind of salwar chudidars you can wear upon these kind of dupattas also. So guys, let's start our video. My only request you to all the guys is please watch the video from start to till the end. First of all, in my hand, this kind of simple and sober concept in this kind of scarves you will get. Talk about the fabric will be, you have only cotton, this kind of Nazmin concept, all the very beautifully rarely concept you will get here only. Next one, this kind of beautiful concept, see. This kind of crush material concept you will get here only, see. Let me remind you, we not provided single pieces, you have to purchase at a set wise. In each set, you will get this kind of, all the beautiful colors in this kind of scarf system also. See. Next one in my hand, this kind of beautiful, newly trending concept you will get here only. See. Talking about the work, beautiful threading work is done. Plus some 𝐂𝐸𝐴𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐿 work sticks, some beautiful stones are sticked there. Plus these kind of very beautiful material concept will also you will get here only. In all these varieties, you will get different colors, 6 to 7 different colors. See. These kind of fully checks lining box concept also you will get here only. See. All the 6 to 10 different variety and category in dupatta sections you will get here only. See. Concept is one, but the designs and varieties are very newly. See, this kind of upon the net you will get this kind of beautiful sequence work plus beautiful flower cutting work also you will get this kind of border also. Talking about the fabric will be beautiful in this. You will get all the newly trendy collections in our all the varieties and sarees. See, these kind of concepts you will get here only. Next one, according to the varieties, 𝐶𝐸𝐴𝐳𝐿𝐴 𝐵𝐵𝐴𝐺𝐵, some small designing stones are sticked here which enhance the total beautiful collections, and upon the net you will notice all the beautiful collections. Plus these kind of cutting embroidery work also you will get in the body. Next one also you will get this kind of concept. See. This kind of beautiful flower, artificial flower concept, plus you will get this kind of pearls concept which enhance the total overall look of this particular collections also. Next one, this kind of simple and sober concept which are evergreen concept. See, these kind of concepts are very hot selling items in any of our region in India. If there is north or south or east or west, all the region they are selling these kind of concepts. See. Next one also very beautiful variety. These kind of newly available concepts you will get this kind of length also. See. This kind of beautiful upon the beautiful embroidery silver and golden zari work you will get. Plus this kind of beautiful cutting embroidery flower concept work is also good. Let me remind you, single pieces is not available. You have to purchase in a set wise. Any of your interested category or varieties in ladies wear items, you have to just visit and call the screen available number at a 𝐂𝐸𝐴 Textile Company only. There is no limit or boundary to purchase the amount like 50,000, 1 lakhs or 2 lakhs. If you have just 20,000 to 30,000, then also you can come and visit and please purchase our behalf of our product. Next one, these kind of concepts also you will get in the checks pattern also. See, these kind of simple and sober concepts or any I'm just showcase you some organized and beautiful variety only. You will get multiple collections like Nasmin, party wear collections, occasional wise collection, Banarasi silk concepts, plus all the very beautiful kind of variety collections you will get here only. See, these kind of concepts you will get here only. See, upon the net you will get this kind of beautiful variety collections. In this also you will get 6 to 7 different color also. But if you are in your any of your region, you are interested in single color or any simple and sober concept, plain concept, then also you will get in here only. See, in one video there is not possibility that cover all the sections, all the varieties in one video. So please contact the screen available number to get the regular updates and notifications about our products. With we will give you with beautiful PDF with photo with particular rate, and we provide you video call facility also. If you're not able to come and visit our company, then we provide video call facility also. At that video call facility you will choose the same product, the same product will be delivered at your destination only. So guys, if you are interested in visit our company, then also we can provide you pickup and drop facility. When you will come at Surat railway stations or airport, you have to just call the screen available number. We provide you pickup and drop facility. Next one, to buy or purchasing the another thing, please just visit our company, that how our company is performed and how our company is functions. Many different kind of departments we are here only, so please visit only. So guys, see you in the next video, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our video and press the bell icon button to get the regular newly updates and notifications of our any of our video. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you once again.